The McPherson struts on your vehicle are most commonly preferred by modern automakers. They're compact and lightweight, making them especially effective for front-wheel drive cars. They're designed to provide you and your passengers with smooth and comfortable driving. However, like all parts, McPherson struts eventually wear out, and this can lead to serious safety concerns. Worn-out struts can cause handling problems and even cause tires to wear unevenly. Replacing the struts before they get to this point can save you money and possibly avoid an accident. New struts offer better performance, a more comfortable ride, tire longevity, and most importantly, safety.